Hi, this is Glenn, and we're going to talk about another little concept. This is called the 10-second rule. You can call it whatever you want. Just like Bob Ross always says, you can call it whatever you want. So call it whatever rule you want to call it because you can set it up however you want. So let's get to it. So pretty much here, I'm in Premiere Pro. And in Premiere Pro, I got my footage. I went out there and I shot this on my phone. And all I did was what I call this the 10-second rule. And like I said, you can call it whatever you want. So pretty much when I'm filming, I am creating some type, this is B-roll. This is gonna work for the editor, definitely for the editor. And I can't take all this credit. I learned this from another filmmaker, which I'll put his information somewhere here. And I learned it from here, and it has benefited me so much because I have 3 different shots to work with one shooting only one time. And this is called, like I said, the 10-second rule, or whatever rule you want to call it. So it's up to you. And so what I'm referring to when it comes to this specific scene right here, which I'm going to show you right now. So here it is. All I'm doing now, right? While I'm imagining yourself now. You're the videographer. You're the director. You're the one on the camera. And so what's going to happen is you're going to shoot this. So let's just count. I'm going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm moving. And then this is the shot that I wanted. Let's just say hypothetically. And then once I finish, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now if you really look at it, if you really look at this, right, you have one shot here, and then as soon as the camera moves, you have another shot now to work with. So you got 2, as soon as the camera ends, and then 3. So you got 3 different shots, 1, 2, and 3. So you got one that pans from right to left. That's the shot I was looking for. I didn't count this one 10 seconds at all. I don't need to count that 10 seconds. That's completely up to you. That one can go super quick. That one can go really slow. However you want to do it. That's just the shot that you wanted. But what you're giving the editor is 3 different shots to work with in case you're not going to edit it, but you have 3 different shots. You just saved yourself a lot of time. You don't have to go back there. Maybe this shot was better. Maybe you're like, hey, maybe my vision was first I wanted this, but maybe I just wanted this stable shot. Composition looks good. As you can see, the rules of thirds. I'm looking at this like wherever this path is going to lead me, and then you move to the next step, and which again, rules of thirds, kinda. I might have to zoom in a little bit, but the composition is not too bad. But you get the gist, you get the idea. And that's pretty much what's called the 10-second rule. It works all the time. I promise you, this little step will take you a long way. You don't have to go all the way back to the location to go film this. You have 3 different shots to work with, just in case you didn't like the first one, just in case something happened on that pan shot. Let's say something happened, somebody walked there, something that you didn't like occurred while you were filming it. Something happened while you didn't see it until you logged onto the computer. So you have 3 different shots to work with, and I think it's so beneficial in so many ways. So I hope this helps. Like I said, this is called the 10-second rule, and that's pretty much it. If you like this content, please feel free to like and subscribe. And I'm doing my best to add value to all the upcoming videographers, editors. I've done this before. I used to run my own business, and that's why I just want to add this value to you guys so you guys can go out there and succeed. And honestly, I think you guys can. I know I've done it, and I'm doing it again now, just online. That's all. So I hope this helps. I'm just adding some value to your life. Go out there and kill it. Thank you for watching.
Art's too free to be confined by distinct rules. It's an individual thing.